Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Many of us journey through life grappling with profound questions that cannot be answered simply by examining the physical world. These are the questions of purpose, of meaning, of connection, and of truth. These inquiries, in many ways, inspire us to explore spirituality, a sphere of existence beyond the immediately visible, perceivable realm. Spirituality is a multifaceted concept, manifesting differently in each individual's life. Yet, at its core, it represents the quest to comprehend our place in the universe, our relationships with others and ourselves, and ultimately, the mystery of life itself. Embarking on the journey to connect with your spirituality requires openness, curiosity, and humility. It's a deeply personal path that is woven into your unique life experience. However, there are some universal steps one can take to facilitate this connection. Mindfulness and meditation. At the heart of spirituality lies mindfulness, the practice of consciously focusing the mind in the present moment without judgment or distraction. It enables us to observe the world around and within us, fostering a greater awareness and connection with our inner selves. Meditation, a key mindfulness practice, cultivates silence and tranquility, allowing us to delve deeper into our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. In that silent introspection, we can discern the stirrings of our spirit and its longing for connection. Nature and connection. Nature is a profound spiritual teacher. Its grandeur and complexity often evoke feelings of awe, wonder, and interconnectedness, highlighting the unity of existence. Spending time in nature can, therefore, be a powerful way to nurture your spiritual self. The rhythmic patterns of nature, the changing seasons, the rise and fall of tides, the waxing and waning of the moon, are spiritual metaphors that teach us about the cycles of life, growth, change, and resilience. Personal reflection and journaling. Personal reflection enables you to explore your inner landscape. It helps you to understand your values, beliefs, passions, and fears. Journaling is an effective tool for this exploration. By documenting your thoughts, feelings, dreams, and reflections, you create a dialogue with your inner self. This dialogue can illuminate the paths you might take on your spiritual journey. Service and compassion. Spirituality often manifests in acts of service and compassion towards others. Helping those in need, showing kindness, and expressing empathy can make us feel connected to the larger human experience. Such acts allow us to transcend our individuality and touch the essence of our shared humanity, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all beings. Exploring sacred texts and teachings. Many find guidance on their spiritual journey through sacred texts and teachings. These can provide profound insights into human nature, existence, and the universe. Engaging with such texts can help you articulate your spiritual inclinations, as well as offer solace, guidance, and inspiration. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude can profoundly impact our spiritual well-being. By acknowledging the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to the abundance of the universe. Gratitude roots us in the present moment, fosters positivity, and cultivates a sense of fulfillment. Creating a sacred space. A sacred space is a designated area where you engage in your spiritual practices. This could be a physical space in your home, a spot in nature, or even a mental space you carve out during your day. It is a sanctuary where you can retreat to reflect, meditate, pray, or engage in any activity that nurtures your spirit. Acceptance and surrender. The spiritual path is often filled with uncertainties and challenges. Acceptance is key in navigating these moments. It involves recognizing and surrendering to the realities of life, understanding that both joys and hardships have their place in our spiritual growth. Getting in touch with your spirituality is an adventure of self-discovery and existential exploration. It is a journey of growing awareness and connection with your deepest self, others, and the universe. It is a path of seeking meaning, purpose, peace, and harmony. Remember, this journey is yours alone. There's no right or wrong way to be spiritual. The goal is to be authentic, to listen to your inner voice, and to embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.